Mary Brown, who we feel is more concerned about kids, and people like the principal and other older people involved in the case would be more concerned about the political side of the issue. So this is why our examples are focused on teenagers. And one of our questions is, how do you feel about the different perspectives between kids and adults on the topic of cyberbullying? Would someone like to answer? How do you feel about the different perspectives between kids and adults on the topic of cyberbullying?
Adults don't get
how
it.
they look at it differently.
Adults can't understand it because they've never been through it. They never, like, in their teenage years, they didn't have, the internet, so they can't relate to it.
Who are you?
I'm an angry dad. I can't relate to it.
I'll ask you later why I should give any thought to what you say when you said parents don't matter, their opinions don't matter, but that's for a later day.
So our main point is a cyberbullying law is necessary because criminalizing it will make the community safer. There will be less self-harm and suicide. And without cyberbullying, kids' self-confidence will rise.
Can you prove that?
I can prove why it won't.
Well, I mean, once the law goes into effect, I think you would see a decrease in the number of suicides, and
Kids won't have a reason to fear.
right.
So this point you're making is just related to the negative impact of being bullied online. It should bring down those numbers. It may not necessarily, it will affect, overall, maybe the teen suicide rate, maybe, kids who seek counseling for issues related to being bullied. We may see a drop in that, and yes, it impacts the overall numbers, but are you making the statement about, does it go outside of just the kids in high school setting?
We're going to take that.
Okay.
So, talking point number one, we said kids will be safer, which addresses a community need. Some members of society think that schools should take care of bullying, but cyberbullying can happen outside of the school's jurisdiction. And on cyberbullying, stopcyberbullying.org, they said they talked about the school's role. And when schools try and get involved in disciplining the student for cyberbullying actions that took place off campus and outside of school hours, they're sometimes sued for exceeding their authority and violating the students' freedom of speech. And then we also have an example for that on Megan Meyer, because she committed suicide, and the court said that they didn't have a charge that it fit under. And the Myers say the matter was also investigated by the FBI, and they looked at their family computers and conducted interviews, and the FBI was unable to retrieve the electronic messages from Megan's final days. And the Myers did not plan to file a civil lawsuit, but they want the law changed to state of prejudice so that what happened to Megan is a crime. And then, talking point number two.
Our second talking point, the proposed law is constitutional because the law should be protecting the citizens. Cyberbullying can lead to depression and or suicide, and what people put on the internet will be there forever for everyone to see. It does not go against the First Amendment because people do not have the right to cause others harm through their freedom of speech. And then we have a case example. Rebecca Sedgwick was only 12 years old when she threw herself in the roof of an abandoned cement factory last year. She had suffered relentless taunting and cyberbullying in the months leading up to her death. Bullying began after the main suspect, a 14-year-old girl, started dating a boy that Rebecca had been seeing. Even though her mom pulled her out of school, the harassment continued over social media sites and text messages. In October of 2013, deputies arrested two girls, 14 and 12, and charged them with felony aggravated stalking. They were charged as juveniles. But then, just a month after the arrest, the charges were dropped, with attorneys for the accused citing zero evidence of stalking in the case. The piece of cyber evidence that led to the arrest was a Facebook post by one of the main suspects on October 12th, which said, "Yes, I bullied Rebecca and she killed herself. but I don't give a authority said as many as 15 girls may have bullied Rebecca, and Rebecca expressed that non-parent fear of being bullied. In 2013, Florida made a cyberbullying law to give schools more authority to investigate online bullying that happens off campus if the problem interferes with the student's ability to attend school.
Sounds eerily similar to your situation with the MyFace site and the sorority group associated with it. Okay. So do you think that this law is constitutional?
The proposed law is just criminalizing cyberbullying will do more good than harm. If people see this law being enforced, they will be less likely to do it. The National Crime Prevention Council says it's not just kids being kids. We have to make sure cyberbullying is not a rite of passage. If we don't change the culture, then we are helping young people be victimized. And our example for this is Hannah Smith, a 14-year-old, committed suicide after going on the app Ask.fm and receiving nasty private messages from people. These messages were sent to her anonymously. People have signed an online petition for Hannah saying cyberbullying has been an ever-increasing problem within the UK for a considerable amount of time, with one of the biggest offenders becoming Ask.fm, a site popular amongst young people where posts can be made with confidence anonymously, which has led to bullying, mental health problems, and suicides, as well as grooming. This petition is calling on the government to act on Hannah's case. And then we have another question for the class. They're making this petition, so do you think that if you were asked to sign a petition like this, would you do it?
Yeah.
Why would you sign it?
What did the petition say? The petition is it's a petition for the government to act on the case, basically like make a law or do something about this case. Yeah, the one in this example. Yeah.
Well, didn't they already arrest her on threat and harassment cases, not on the fact that she was bullying her? So didn't they already have some sort of law that prevented her from doing what she did?
Was that a different case you guys talked about? I'm pretty sure the law Catherine just heard the case Catherine talked about, wasn't that in Florida? And one of the charges dropped. That was what you read.
This
We're
is
talking about a different one about Hannah Smith.
That's what I read.
About Ask.fm.
yeah.
There was two different cases.
Did they find out who did? Who sent her the messages?
I'm hearing
No,
right.
They just read this example for talking point 3 about Hannah Smith. It
Yeah.
had nothing to do with like.
Oh, so the question had nothing to do with this?
No, the question in this case that I just explained, there's a petition going around for the government to do something
Okay, so the
about
Hannah thing. Okay,
Yeah.
so did they find out who actually sent Hannah's messages? Or was that a different?
So to make a law for this, they would have
What happened to
to.
Hannah?
It is true.
You're talking about the one that's over.
So we're just asking, would you sign the
Okay.
petition?
No, I would not sign.
No, because that would give the government more access to like go into social media sites against like the First Amendment, obviously, and then like personal privacy, all that other stuff. I mean, that's not.
Did they threaten her in the message?
Yes, let's pull
Yeah.
it back to Mary and let's end with this. I mean, in a proper legislative hearing, I mean, you guys can talk for as long as you want. We have a class period, so keep it. Is the proposed law just?
I think it is because there's no harm being made in making a law, only good can come out of it.
Yeah, we addressed that in part of it. That it'll do more good than harm, and if people see it being enforced, they'll be less likely to do it.
So this could actually act as a deterrent going forward. Okay. Round of applause for Mary Brown.